Welcome back to Math Solver 1117 where math become easy and fun. Today we are going to solve Olympiad math problem, that is 5 raised to power x minus 4 equals 200. You have to find the value of x. For this purpose we will solve this as, first of all consider 5 raised to power x minus 4 equals 400. So the best way to solve this problem is by taking log on both sides. So we will take log on both sides. So we will get x minus 4 in the start, then log 5 equals log 200. Now here log 5 is multiplied, it will be divided here. We get x minus 4 equals log 200 divided by log 5. Now x equals, here minus 4 it will be added, 4 plus log 200 divided by log 5. Now we will solve this as by taking the LCM of 200. It will be 2 divided by 100 gives 200, then 2 by 50, 2 by 25, then 5 by 5, and 5 ones are 5. So we will write x equals 4 plus log 2 raised to power 3 multiplied by 5 raised to power square divided by log 5. Now we will apply the log rule. According to that, x equal 4 plus 3 log 2 divided by log 5, then plus 2 log 5 divided by log 5. Log 5 and log 5 are cancelled out. We have only 2. So x equal 4 plus 2 plus 3 log 2 by log 5. Now this will be equal, x equal 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 3 log 2 by log 5. So this will be the final answer. We will write this as, this is the final answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video we will solve another Olympiad math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.